Hello my friends, today I will show you how to make an easy outfit for Halloween with only 2 parts.
So the only thing that you need is a rain poncho and a gas mask. The reason that I use the GP5 gas mask is because it's widely available.
So you put on the mask and then you put on the hood. You pull the cord tightly and of course you have to zip the poncho so everything will fit tight. It will make it more look like you are a Chernobyl liquidator. You only need 2 parts and you can also add the gloves to look more creepy. And here I have a pumpkin. And I think that this one is pretty good for Halloween. And this is how you make an easy outfit with only 2 parts and a pair of gloves.